everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. Today's collection is about very beautiful pure silk handloom Garhwal sarees. सगळ्या नवीन आहेत स्टॉक मध्ये. All of these are new additions to our stock. We've stocked up a few Garhwals with butta borders, as we call them. So these borders are not the usual borders. They have different motifs on them and plain borders otherwise. They look very, very pretty, and everyone will ask you, which type of sari is this? What are you wearing? Is this a Garhwal? Is this a Kanjivaram? Is this a Paithani? So they are a very nice variant of Garhwal sari. So yes, this is the first one. ज्यांना चंद्रकोर बुट्ट्याच्या साड्या आवडतात, सध्या चंद्रकोर बुट्ट्याचा थोडासा ट्रेंड आहे हँडलूम सारीज मध्ये, त्यांच्यासाठी ही अप्रतिम गडवाल आहे. इट हॅज दिस चंद्रकोर बुट्टा आणि नाजूक बुट्टा आहे. चंद्रकोर बुट्टा आहे तो नाजूक आहे अँड मुनिया मोटिफ ऑन द बॉर्डर्स. ओके, this is the munia motif and this is the grand pallu. So it has this lovely Garhwal pallu. If you like this saree, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. It's a beautiful emerald green color. Let's move to the next one. The next is a gorgeous magenta, beautiful magenta purple, pinkish magenta purple. Very pretty saree. Just look at how grand this sleeve looks, and it has this lovely end in orange color which actually accentuates the single colored Garhwal otherwise, and it has this beautiful paisley motif. कोयरी बुट्टा आहे बॉर्डर वरती. सो ह्या बॉर्डर्स ना आम्ही त्यामुळे बुट्टा बॉर्डर म्हणतो, कारण बॉर्डर एज सच नाहीये, बुट्ट्यांचीच बनलेली बॉर्डर आहे. अँड दीज बुट्टाज that you see have मीनाकारी on them. They are very intricately woven. This saree otherwise has two different types of butta in golden and silver zari. Very beautifully woven, and this is the grand pallu. Gorgeous pallu design. If you like this saree, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The process to order is very easy. You just take a screenshot, send it to our official WhatsApp number. It is mentioned right below, or it is mentioned in all our captions. Just send a screenshot if you want. You can get more pictures. Our team will help you with the exact price. They will help you with the proceeding of your order, and all these sarees are in stock. They are available to dispatch immediately. Please remember, we are not an online reselling brand. These sarees are in stock. We have a beautiful store here in Pune. We've opened a new store on Bhandarkar Road. It's a spacious, grand saree store, and we also ship worldwide. So just feel free to order. It's a very, very reliable and authentic brand of silk sarees. Now moving on to the next saree. This is also a green, but this is a slightly deeper shade of emerald green than the one I showed before this. Again, koiri motif, paisley butta on the borders with meenakari on it. And just look at how beautiful these borders look together. And this is the grand pallu. So because of this slightly dhoop chhaw color towards the end of the border, you can choose to wear a contrast blouse with this. It will look pretty. If you want, you can wear a mango yellow. You can, add some green elements to the blouse, but it might look very nice. Or you can choose to keep it monotone. If you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next saree. The next one is another magenta, but this one is with combination with this beautiful Ananda color. So this color is called Ananda by our weavers from the south. It's a mix of blue and green. It has a beautiful magenta border with munia motifs on it. So this saree does not stay in stock. This combination especially अजिबात राहत नाही. हे कॉम्बिनेशन तुम्हाला आवडली असेल तर इमिजिएटली ऑर्डर करा, कारण पटकन सेल आउट होणारं कॉम्बिनेशन आहे. जस्ट लुक ॲट द लवली pallu. So these kind of sarees are also called Garhwal Paithanis because they have a few Paithani elements in them. We call them fusion of Paithani and Garhwal. However, these are handloom Garhwal. Now just look at the blouse. It comes with butta on it. It's a beautiful contrast blouse. The blouse will actually add up to the, to the grandeur of this saree. So yes, this is it. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the last saree of this video. Now this one is a gorgeous color. It is a peacock blue, if you ask me. It's a deep shade of Firozi or Rama mixed, if I can say so, I don't know. But it's basically a peacock blue. It's a very very beautiful sari, and this one has a slightly delicate paisley butta on the border, and the butta of the sari is also very interesting. It is in reshim as well as zari, a twin butta as we call this. Just look at how grand this sari looks. And this is the pallu. The pallu is also very beautiful. This is it. If you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So yes, this was our Butta border Gadwals collection. I hope you all enjoyed watching. I'm coming up with one more video of stunning Gadwal sarees. Stay tuned.